forward together because of your love of this community, your willingness to have the hard discussions, and believe it or not, your ability to work together.
Hello and thanks for joining us tonight. You just heard part of Macon Mayor Lester Miller's State of the Community Address. It happened earlier today at the Macon City Auditorium.
The mayor highlighted triumphs from the past year and also acknowledged there is still work to be done. Anthony Montalto joins us live downtown with more on what the mayor had to say.
Well, Frank and Lori, the main message today all tied back to bringing more people to town and Macon's record tourism numbers. Hotel taxes last year were up nearly $1 million from the year before, and they're hoping to continue that momentum. Taking care of business is how Mayor Lester Miller saw the last year.
You know, the country is taking, and the world is taking notice of Macon-Bibb County.
The county invested millions community-wide, promoting access to healthy food and, more recently, stopping a bus fare increase. Miller says they led the nation in innovative ways to use federal dollars.
Investing millions in affordable housing, providing mental health support services, supporting public safety.
A major highlight of this year's speech, a record-breaking year for tourism. Macon-Bibb raked in $6 million in hotel taxes last year. That's $900,000 more than the year before.
People are choosing on their own to visit our city, just to be here.
But with the victories, Miller recognized there's still work to be done. He acknowledged 2022's record-breaking homicide numbers.
It takes mere moments for a violent action to take place, but it takes years for mental health, job training, and other support services to fully have an impact on our community.
After the speech, Miller told 13 WMAZ the Macon Violence Prevention Program is making good progress.
We have seen a decrease in crime this year compared to the numbers last year already, and that's something that we think that we're going to not get comfortable with or complacent with. It's something we can build upon. So we do think we're starting to turn the corner.
He hopes continuing partnerships with community groups and law enforcement will help continue the trend.
As we continue to expand our targeted stuff with the Sheriff's Department, they're doing a great job working with GBI and others, and I think that's something that's really going to head off a lot of our violent crime.
Now Miller, says the goal for next year is bringing even more folks to town and overcoming the notion that there's nothing to do in Macon. He points to ongoing construction at the Macon Mall, where he says the amphitheater will open this year. The new plans for that include 2,000 more seats than originally planned. Live in Macon, Anthony Montalto, 13 WMAZ News.
Thank you, Anthony. The mall will also be home to what the mayor calls the world's largest indoor pickleball facility.
He says they're already getting requests to host national tournaments, which he believes will continue to bolster tourism.